Okay, we've got a quick reteaching here on the area of triangles. If you are retaking the area of triangles, you're going to watch this video and correct your summative to make sure you have the correct answers as you watch the video. Okay, so when we're finding the area of triangles, remember triangles are half of the area of a rectangle. So the area formula we use is base times height divided by 2. And we talked about how the base and the height always have to form a right angle. So anytime you're looking for the base and height, which two sides of the triangle you're using, you're looking for that right angle, which is designated by that square in one of the corners. So here for this first one, we're going to do base times height. Your base and your height are 9 and 12 because those are your two pieces that form that right angle, and divide that by 2. So 9 times 12 divided by 2 gives us an area of 54 square inches. For our second one, we've got this big triangle, and going straight through the middle here, this is showing us our height because it's going and forming that right angle with here's our base, here's the height, and there's our right angle. That middle piece, that dashed line that's labeled as 6.5, is not splitting the triangle into two separate triangles. We're finding the area of the big triangle. So we're going to do 6 times 6.5, because those are our base and height, and divide by 2, which gives us an area of 19.5 meters squared. And for our last one, again, here is our right angle, which makes this our base and this our height. So for this one, we're going to do 19 times 22 divided by 2. And that should give us a total area of 209 meters squared. Once you've watched this and corrected that section of your summative, you're going to pick up the extra practice on my side counter for area of triangles and complete that and bring that and your original summative with you to your retake on Wednesday during STAR.